Hey floor cleaners, it's John here, and in this series I'm going to share with you my top payment and scheduling hacks to boost your floor cleaning business. If you've never heard of me before, my name's John Williams and I run a company called AGB, or Add to Grow Business, and we specialize in one industry and one industry only, the floor cleaning industry. Whether you're a carpet cleaner, a tile cleaner, a hardwood floor cleaner, a marble floor cleaner, so on and so forth, we work with you guys, and we specialize in one thing and one thing only: getting floor cleaning businesses like yours booked out with jobs on autopilot using our specialist digital marketing program. And I'm on a personal mission to try and help as many floor cleaning business owners as humanly possible not just survive but thrive, whether that's through working with us on a one-on-one basis inside our program or through this YouTube channel. So without further ado, let's dive right into this series. And then the fourth and final hack on this video is schedule your customers in for their next appointment whilst you're in the home with a discount incentive. So whenever I go to get my hair cut, by the way, I definitely need to get it cut soon. I'm going to be calling my hairdresser after this video. Whenever I go to get my hair cut, at the end, when I'm at the reception and I'm paying for my haircut after it's been cut, the receptionist always schedules me in for my next appointment. She normally says, John, that's going to be X pounds. I'm in the UK. It's going to be £25 today. Do you want me to schedule you in for your next hair appointment? She's like, should I book you in for like 5-6 weeks time? I normally like pull up my calendar on my phone. I'm like, yeah, can we do like Saturday, 4th of October or whatever date it is, 10 o'clock? Yeah, that's fine. That's booked in for you. You're going to get an email with the appointment. Amazing. And so this is a great way that these hairdressers, these hair salons and stuff keep you on their schedule, right? And turn you into a repeat business customer. Because typically, you need to get your hair cut every so often. It's something that continually needs to be maintained unless you're growing it long. And so effectively, by having you scheduled back in for your next appointment in 6-7 weeks time or whenever it is, that's an amazing thing that they do that basically turns you into their kind of like repeat business customer. And there's no reason why you can't implement this strategy in your floor cleaning business, because just like you need to have your hair cut regularly, right? Otherwise it grows long. It's almost the same with like floor cleaning or carpet cleaning, especially let's say if you've got pets, right? Like let's say you've got a couple of dogs, maybe cats, whatever, or some kind of animal in the home, and that dog is like running about the place and all the rest of it. You're probably going to need to get your carpets cleaned pretty regular, right? Otherwise they're just going to get mucky every so often. So regular carpet cleaning is something that someone that owns pets, or if you've got children, young children that are running about and stuff like that, it's probably something that you're going to need to get like regularly done. And from a health perspective, all the stuff that kind of gets built up into the carpets and stuff like that, it's probably like getting your teeth, maintained, or your haircut. It's probably not a bad idea every 3 months to get your carpets cleaned. So if you can be a little bit educational when you're in the home and explain like, look, I noticed that you've got 2 dogs here, and it's bearing in mind that you're taking them out for a walk, they're running through the park and fields and probably dragging all kinds of stuff back into the home. I anticipate that you're probably going to need to get your carpets cleaned every few weeks. Or let's say you've got children like running about crawling on all fours. I appreciate you've got children, and as you can probably imagine, just naturally over time a lot of dust and allergens can get built up in the carpet. So I would recommend that you have your carpets cleaned reasonably regularly. You can be like educational like that, and from there you can say, can we get you scheduled in preliminary for 3 months time? And again, you can offer some kind of incentive. You could say, if we get you scheduled in now for like your next appointment in 90 days or 3 months in January or whenever that is, you'll get an extra 10% or 15% off your next carpet cleaning when we come to get it done. And so if you can like educate those people and they understand like, probably like the guy's right, yeah, I do have 2 dogs running about the house like crazy, and probably in about 6 weeks or 3 months time, 12 weeks, I'm probably going to need need like to have these guys around again. They did a great job. I'm happy with the service. Price is reasonable. I may as well like schedule it now. And you know what? I'm going to get a discount if I do, and I probably am going to need it done. Makes sense. So yeah, let's schedule now. Why not? And likewise, even if you don't have like pets, if you could really sell your business from an educational standpoint about the importance of getting it done regularly, and you can really drive that home in an educational and in a nice way, people will probably understand where you're coming from. Be like, yeah, you know what, this guy's right. You know, I don't want like loads of germs and dust and mites and stuff building up in the carpet, or loads of grime building up in the bathroom. You know, especially after this whole like COVID thing and all of that. Yeah, it's probably not a bad idea to kind of get it done like 4 times a year or something. And yeah, he did a really good job. Nice guy, really thorough. Place looks like new, smells amazing. I'm going to get this discount if I book up front right now. If I get it, you know, if I get something on the schedule right now, when he comes around in 3 months, it's going to be a little bit cheaper. All right, why not? Let's book it in now. And so in doing that, you're actually like filling your schedule like with every customer that you do for 3 months time. And now, just like I told you in that example with the hairdresser, you know, you're actually getting people scheduled in, and you're actually getting them on the schedule again up front in advance. You know that you've got that book of work coming through the door in 3 months time, and you're actually turning them into a repeat business customer. Of course, nearer the time, some people might cancel, or they might need to reschedule. You know, 3 months comes around and something's on, someone's getting married, or someone's sick, or turns out they're away on vacation, or a business meeting's come up, and so they're going to need to reschedule, or whatever it is, or you know, maybe they don't have the money at that time, you know, blah blah blah. But of course, that's always going to happen. That's business. But at the same time, you are going to have a bunch of other people that scheduled at the end of their last job whilst you were there, whilst you were still in the home, and then 3 months later, when that next appointment comes around, sure enough, you're going to go around there and do it again. And at the end of that appointment, you'll book them in again for 3 months after that. Just by simply asking them, you know, you could actually be turning a lot more of your customers into repeat business, lifelong customers that are always kind of on your schedule. And so that's the 4th and final hack today to boost your floor cleaning business. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button down below. If you'd like to find out a little bit more about working with us on a one-on-one basis, head down to the description below, where you'll find a link to our website where you can find out more information and schedule a call. See you on the next one, guys. Peace.